Everyone thinks the best-selling mobile TV stand is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Pearlsmith Rolling TV Stand. The Pearlsmith Rolling TV Stand is a mobile stand designed for TVs ranging from 23 to 60 inches. Priced at just $39.99, it's surprisingly affordable, especially considering its solid 4.6-star rating from over 14,700 reviews. If you want an easy-to-move TV solution that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This stand supports up to 88 pounds, meaning it can easily hold most TVs without any wobble. The tilt feature allows you to adjust the TV angle by up to 10 degrees downwards and 5 degrees upwards, which really helps reduce glare. Plus, with its rolling wheels, moving it from room to room becomes a breeze. No more struggling to lift heavy TVs. It even comes with a shelf, perfect for storing your media devices, making it practical for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you read the manual carefully and take your time, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you're someone who values stability and ease of movement, this stand offers great value for money. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option for small spaces or need to move your TV around frequently. Skip this one if you have a larger screen above 60 inches or prefer a more premium aesthetic. Now, if the Pearlsmith's low price made you wonder about quality, the next option on my list might change your mind. Product number 2, Pearlsmith Height Adjustable Mobile TV Cart. Next up is the Pearlsmith Rolling TV Stand on Wheels, which accommodates screens from 32 to 83 inches and is priced at $113.99. With a similar 4.6-star rating, it's clearly popular for a reason. If you're looking for something that can grow with your viewing needs, this one's definitely worth considering. One standout feature is the 7-level height adjustment from 50.94 inches to 63.23 inches, giving you flexibility in how high you want your screen. It also tilts from -15 degrees to +5 degrees, helping minimize reflections from windows during the day. The stand is remarkably sturdy, with a weight capacity of 110 pounds, so you don't need to worry about your TV tipping over. Plus, the wheels are designed to roll smoothly and lock securely, which enhances stability when you're stationary. However, some users found that the height adjustment lever could be a bit stiff. Here's the thing. As long as you're not adjusting it constantly, it's really not a major hassle. For those seeking a versatile stand for various environments, this is an excellent pick. This is perfect for you if you've got a larger TV and you want to use it in multiple rooms. Skip this one if you mostly keep your TV in one place and don't need the height adjustment feature. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who have even larger screens. Product number 3. Pearlsmith Heavy Duty Mobile TV Stand. The Pearlsmith Rolling TV Stand with lockable wheels is designed for 32 to 86-inch TVs and is priced at $154.99. This stand is getting a lot of attention with a solid 4.6-star rating as well. If you want something sturdy for a bigger screen and still portable, this is definitely one to look at. What's impressive here is its capacity to hold up to 132 pounds. This means even the heaviest TVs can rest easy on this stand. The height is adjustable from 33.5 to 59.6 inches, ensuring you find the perfect viewing angle whether you're sitting or standing. The included shelves are great for placing devices like gaming consoles or media players, keeping everything organized and accessible. However, some users mentioned that it could be a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing, though, once you set it up, you might not need to move it often, and the sturdiness is a worthwhile trade-off for a larger TV. This is perfect for you if you want a robust solution for a larger screen while still needing some mobility. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and extremely portable. Now, if you're after something a little more budget-friendly, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Refiver Mobile TV Cart. Coming in next is the Refiver Mobile TV Cart, which is priced at $89.98 and can accommodate TVs from 32 to 83 inches. With a 4.6-star rating and 7,300 reviews, it shows that it's a trusted choice. If you want a balance of affordability and functionality, this one's worth considering. This stand supports up to 110 pounds and features 15 levels of height adjustment, allowing for personalized viewing comfort. The sturdy H-shaped base enhances stability, so you don't have to worry about any wobbling or tipping. Plus, the 360-degree silent casters make moving it around your home incredibly easy, whether you're bringing it to the living room or setting it up for a presentation. One drawback some users noted is that the height adjustment can be a bit time-consuming. But honestly, once you find your preferred height, it's smooth sailing from there. For anyone who values flexibility and ease of movement without breaking the bank, this stand is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet sturdy option for your living space. Skip this one if you need a lot of extra features or additional shelving. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more style and simplicity, our last product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Pearlsmith Mobile TV Stand with Tilt. Finally, we have the Pearlsmith Rolling TV Stand for 23 to 63-inch TVs priced at an undisclosed amount, but it's another bestseller with a massive user base. If you want a sleek, portable solution for smaller TVs, this could be your answer. This stand supports TVs up to 88 pounds and offers a height range from 56.2 inches to 60.6 inches, plus a 15-degree tilt adjustment for a more comfortable viewing experience. The no-drill assembly is a huge plus for anyone who hates complicated setups. And I love that it includes a storage tray for remotes and small devices, helping keep your space tidy. However, some users felt that the height adjustment could be better. Here's the thing. For most casual users, the set heights are still going to work just fine, especially since it's designed for smaller screens. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller TV and want a versatile, easy-to-move option. Skip this one if you're looking for something for larger screens over 63 inches. In terms of value, all these stands cater to different needs and preferences, so depending on your TV size and how you plan to use it, there's definitely something here for everyone. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Pearlsmith rolling TV stand to the heavy-duty Pearlsmith model and the versatile Refiver option, there's something for everyone. Each one has its strengths, whether it's portability, adjustability, or sturdiness. Just match your needs with the right product, and you'll be set for your viewing pleasure